Hey everyone, James Reeves with TFBTV. It's our first time at IWA here in Nuremberg, Germany, and we're at the first booth that we stopped at, Bul Armory. That's only because we're going in alphabetical order. No, I'm kidding. We're not. If we tried to do that, we'd be here all day. But I saw Bul Armory. You guys know that I've done some videos with your stuff. I somehow picked up that Bul SAS2 ultralight, and I've always said that's my favorite 1911. In fact, like the only tolerable 1911 or 2011, if you want to be picky about it, that's out there in my opinion. So I've always had a lot of respect for you guys, and then I just did the video on the Bul Impact. You guys make a good product. We've always been fans. Our fans are fans of Bul Armory, and now you've got something that, I walked over and I said, that profile looks a little familiar. We've got a new product coming that has some parts compatibility with a famous manufacturer that's been around for a while. What are we looking at here with the Axe series?
So we have finally launched the Axe series. It comes in a couple of sizes, a compact and a full size. This is the Cleaver, which is, let's say, the basic one. They all share the same frame and same features. A grip module that has a 1911-ish angle to it. An oversized mag release. They all have flat triggers as standard. Extended control, accelerated cuts on the frame. And the difference between each model is really the slide. The Cleaver is your basic iron sights with front and back serrations. Okay. The Hatchet, same bottom portion and different slide design. And then you get to the Tomahawk, which is a crowd favorite, which is optic ready. It has a weight reduction cut in the slide and a fluted barrel. And this one is the full-size model. These two are compact. And this one is equipped and ready for competition with our Bul MS2 optic.
So each of these then, it looks like they share the same frame. Is that correct?
Yes, same frame. The only difference in the slide.
And you said the term grip module, and in this day and age I have to ask if it's interchangeable. It looks like it's not, but I just have to ask.
It is not.
Okay,
yeah.
All right, so the grip module is the same for all these, and what we're talking about, a difference in slides, that's it.
Yes.
So since the frame or the grip module is the same among all three, can you just walk me through all the features of it?
Of course. Going front to back, you have a 1913 Piccadilly rail, accelerated cuts, extended controls, a very 1911-ish beaver tail with a 1911 grip angle, a double trigger guard undercut, and built-in magwell. It's kind of smaller on the compact one and bigger on the full-size one.
But yeah, you don't want like a massive magwell on a gun designed for carry.
No, just self-correct
Sure.
the angle from the front, and you have these cuts here to strip the magazines in case you have a malfunction.
Okay.
Which go nicely with the base pad we made for it.
Yes, yeah, and show us that base pad in camera. Got like some wings on it there. This one is kind of the base model, and by the way, these are all going to be 9mm.
Yes, for now.
Compact and full size, so I'm assuming that's 15 round and 17 round magazines.
Correct.
Respectively. Glock magazines, right?
Glock-type magazines.
Glock-type magazines, and I assume that you've got some compatibility with a lot of Glock-type parts.
Yes.
So I assume all of the main components as well are going to be Glock part compatible. Is that correct?
Correct.
Ben, what is the release date looking like here? And again, we're at IWA, so this is a European convention.
Yes.
And I imagine that the release schedules are going to be different. Maybe not everything's going to be available in one country versus another. What's the plan for these?
I'm actually happy to say that they're going to be available in the US next month.
Okay. Next month, as in
shipping right now.
You're kidding me. So they're going to be like March next month or April next month?
30 days.
30 days from now.
Days. Maybe sooner.
And are you allowed to tell me about MSRP, or is that something we're just going to have to wait and see?
Going to have to wait and see.
But it will be competitive, I assume?
Very much so.
Now, talk to me more about the triggers. You said these all have flat triggers. What's the trigger weight on these?
About 3.5. The standard division weight limit for triggers is 3.5, so it's about that. They are all competition legal in IPSC and USPSA.
Now, is there any manufacturing, like, I don't know, crossbreeding here, or are you guys making everything in-house?
Everything is made in-house, inside and outside.
By Bul Armory, by you
By
guys?
Bul, yes.
Very cool. Now, I got to say, Ben, I think that this is one of the more exciting things I've seen from you guys. And, I mean, it's the most exciting thing I've seen at the show so far. But also, you're the first stop.
Thank you.
But thank you, as usual, for being on the program. Guys, thanks for watching our IWA coverage. Stay tuned.